First of all, on behalf of the League of Municipalities of the Philippines, Lanao del Norte Chapter, and other fellow elected officials, our sincerest gratitude for having us here in Japan, creating memories that will last for a lifetime. With you, Governor Angking Quebrasa de Maporo, and Congressman Abdullah Babi de Maporo. What a great opportunity celebrating a special day tonight with our visionary and beloved father of peace and development in the province of Lanao del Norte, Congressman Abdullah Babi de Maporo. For us personally in the municipality of Nunungan, we would like to take this opportunity to convey our deepest gratitude for the boundless and unwavering support you have extended that made Nunungan a competitive municipality, turning it from a sleeping municipality to a progressive one. Finally, Nunungan is now, for the very first time, an awardee of the Seal of Good Local Governance. This could not have been possible without the good leadership of our provincial leaders, with the able leadership of Governor Angking Quebrasa de Maporo, and this would also be our legacy as we, Governor and I, are both last termer. We cannot imagine how Nunungan looks like without the support and guidance of our provincial leaders, again with the able leadership of Governor Angking Quebrasa de Maporo, and with collaborative efforts of Congressman ADD and de Maporo as a whole. So we thank you so much. The former Congressman Abdullah Babi de Maporo, wishing you a very happy and fulfilling birthday. As President of the League of Municipalities of the Philippines, Lanao del Norte Chapter, and as a National Vice President of the LNP, I want to take a moment to acknowledge your exceptional leadership and the positive impact you have made on all of us on behalf of all the mayors in the province of Lanao del Norte. Your vision, dedication, and unwavering commitment to progress have inspired so many to strive for greatness. Though you have already retired from politics, but your legacy in our province is very evident. The way you lead with integrity and purpose is a true example for us to follow. May this year bring you continued success, health, and happiness with your family, and may you remain a guiding force of strength and wisdom to those who follow you. Your leadership not only shapes the present, but also creates a brighter future for all. Your ability to bring people together, inspire growth, and drive meaningful change is something truly extraordinary. We are all fortunate to have a leader like you who not only guides us with clarity, but also lifts us up with kindness and understanding. Personally, I am grateful to you, Sir Bobby, for mentoring me to become a good leader in the municipality of Nunungan. And thank you for the opportunities you have created for the growth and progress of the municipality of Nunungan. On your birthday, I hope you find time to celebrate all the lives you have touched and the incredible difference you have made in the province of Lanao del Norte. To the father of Lanao del Norte, here's to many years, more years of achievements and continued service to our community and beyond. Again, happy birthday, Sir Bobby. So this time, may I request all fellow mayors to come in front to render a song with the man of peace in the province of Lanao del Norte. So come forward. So bring with you something. Pakanta ako kung mo tayo. Happy birthday lang po. May bilang kanta. Hello, mayors, please come forward. Alam mo. Request na to si Baroy ang atong lead singer. Kay mag-split siguro. Hello, mayors, please come forward. Sige. With matching dance, ha? Alam mo pala yung mga mayors. Para Sa mo lang. Happy birthday.